Hey best friends, welcome back to Extremely Modest. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some luxury bed linens that will not break the bank, but will still have your bed feeling and looking luxe, honey. So sometimes when we think of luxury, we think of spending like a crazy amount of money on things that we really don't have to. We want to save our money. We want to keep our money in our pocketbooks, for something else. So if you are interested in having your bed looking like luxury, quality, without spending all that money, please keep on watching. First thing I feel like on having a luxury bed is protecting your mattress, of course. You'll want to add a mattress pad cover. This one was super affordable, and I also like it because it has a pillow top cover for some added comfort. Next, of course, will be your bed sheets. For me, I think it's one of the most important factors of having a luxury bed. Sheets come in varieties of different materials and thread counts, from cotton, linen, flannel, satin, just to name a few. And the thread counts typically range from 200 to 800. Your sheet thread count refers to the number of horizontal and vertical threads per inch. Generally, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. My sheets came out really wrinkled from washing and drying them, so to get the wrinkles out and to get that really luxury look, I ran my steamer across the sheets just to give it a crisp and luxury look. And for an easier, more time-efficient way, you could just take them out of the dryer while they're still damp to the touch and put them on your bed and hand press them out. When I'm done, I like to pull them very tight just to get out any extra wrinkles as much as I possibly can. Great luxury bedding does not have to cost you an arm and a leg. Be sure to shop your local department stores, shop your online stores, and of course set your budget on how much you're willing to spend on your bed linens. And do as much research as you possibly can to make sure that you're getting exactly what type of sheets that you want for yourself and your family. When deciding on our sheets, I typically go for sheets that will keep us warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Great for all year round, so I don't have to typically buy a whole bunch of sheets for different seasons. These bed sheets claim to be 100% bamboo, and they are so comfortable and breathable, ideal for sensitive skin and also great for people with night sweats. These super affordable down pillows are a perfect touch to a luxury bed. They are soft yet supportive, perfect for any sleeping position. They have a really nice stitch to them that also adds a really nice hotel luxury feel. If you do decide on adding decorative pillows, forget about purchasing those overpriced throw pillows. Try finding some really nice pillow covers and also some down pillow inserts. For a neater look, I like to make sure that my sleeping pillows are folded into the pillowcase. Conveniently, these already have like the little fold, but if yours don't, you can follow the same method with the extra flap from your pillowcase. I also like to place the opening inside of the bed just for a neater look as well. Achieving a luxury bed for an affordable price is going with a duvet. Not only is it easy on your pockets by going with a duvet, but it makes it easier to change your bedding styles just by purchasing a duvet cover. They are also easy to store instead of having those oversized comforters. Most duvet inserts can be used as is if preferred, or as an insert. It comes with tabs for it to be easy attached onto your duvet cover. On a day, babe, I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low. Next, I'm going to place this white cotton duvet cover on my bed with the insert inside. Using white bedding really allows you to achieve a simple and luxury style for your bed. And of course, I also purchased this at an affordable price. Guys, y'all know I will leave everything linked down below with the prices for anyone who is interested. Of course, you don't have to use white. I feel like there's no real rules to when you are styling your bed. Just make sure that you are true to whatever style that you personally like for yourself. When you're attaching your insert to your duvet cover, don't tie them super tight. You want to make sure that you can easily untie them so when you have to change them out or wash them. So attaching your insert to your duvet requires patience and practice, but you will definitely get the hang of it. So I'm not going to show me putting on my duvet because I am still in the practice and patience stage. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. My top cover also came out really wrinkled, so I will go ahead and steam those out. Y'all, keeping it super 100, I do not iron out my bedding every time. I only do it when it's like really wrinkled, or I'm just really feeling that hotel luxury vibe, and of course that will require a really nice and crisp look. I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said. To add in some layers and some more luxury, I'm adding in this linen quilt that I folded in threes at the foot of the bed, and I'm also going to add in a throw blanket. These are all definitely affordable pieces that you can again find at your local department stores or your online stores as well. I like to go to like Marshalls or Home Goods to find my throws. I feel like they are always at a really affordable price by finding them in those types of stores. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And if you aren't already and you enjoy my vibe, my style, the way I make my bed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.